Hey friends, today we're checking out this wireless audio transmitter by Happon. You can pick it up off of Amazon and it runs about $27. I'll leave a link in the description below. So with this, it's I guess specifically for kind of like Nintendo Switch. This little goodie plugs into the Switch, I believe. Has some wires. Can't touch to get out of that. This phone's pretty powerful. So that's the deal. This little tiny guy. And then you have your connection. Looks like it's that little USB-C, I believe that's what it is. And you can plug this into the adapter. It comes with this adapter, and that plugs into USB. Okay, so that is that. So it basically makes whatever your device is into a Bluetooth device, so you can hook up your earbuds or whatever and just listen to those like that wirelessly. So pairing, so you want to, it's kind of a cool idea. I think it'll work with a PC also, PC, Nintendo Switch, MacBook, things like that. So I'm definitely going to be checking this out. It's just the unboxing video, just kind of talking a little bit about it, how much it costs. Very small device. Should be going right into a Nintendo Switch there, not really messing with the play at all. And then you can listen to the sound on your earbuds or whatever. And I guess this can, it says it can send like audio to two different things at the same time, I guess. Anyway, it's pretty cool. I'm going to be doing a review and a demonstration once I figure out how to use this guy and show you guys how to use it as well. But that's pretty much it for the unboxing. It's very small. I was expecting something bigger actually when I saw the case, but it's quite small. And it should be fairly easy to set up. I love these devices to pair quite quickly. So that is that for the unboxing, my friends. And I will be doing a demonstration video soon, so don't worry about it. You guys stay tuned for that. And anyways, oops, oh my goodness, really? Just bent the instructions. Okay. All right, my friends. Well, we'll see you. We'll see you soon. I'll be doing a video on that in the near future. Been a little crazy lately, a lot of stuff going on, so I haven't been able to make as many videos as I normally do. But thanks for your guys' patience. And let's see, USB, PD, Rev 2 compatible, switch plug and play, advanced audio distribution profile. So yeah, kind of excited to test this little guy out for you guys, and I'll be bringing that video to you soon. Thanks for watching. Everyone have a great day out there, and we'll see you next time.